Okay, so now we're about to start our sauce, and we just added heavy whipping cream in here, and right now we're just going to let it reach a boil before we put all of our seasonings and stuff in it, as well as our sour cream and our cream cheese. This is going to be a Cajun pasta, so we got some Cajun seasoning, and of course just the regular other seasonings like just a little bit of salt. What else do we got? We already got some garlic in the sausage, but it won't hurt to add a little bit more. And some pepper, and that's literally it. That's all you need. So, yeah, those are our seasonings and parsley, if I can find that in here. Yep.
Oh, y'all bought some more? Okay.
So now that our heavy whipping cream has come to a boil, we're just going to add our cream cheese. If you want to add the whole thing. So, just literally add the whole thing. And now you can just kind of, mix it into it. The cheese.
Okay. And then what kind of cheese you got?
Okay, so for our first cheese, we have some mozzarella, and we're just going to use the rest of this that's in here. And then we have this new red hot cheese. It's red hot sauce, so let's hope that it's not too spicy.
Standing there looking at the cold bag. She's not really good.
Now you can add your seasoning. Oh, you keep telling me you cut it down.
Okay, so I turned it down to a low heat so that now we can add our seasonings. And remember, this is a Cajun pasta, so we're not going to be too light with this.
Liberal. Adding it up, in other words.
Just okay.
Okay.
Just a little salt.
What kind of salt is that?
And this is pink salt. This is not this salt. We're not adding this salt because this salt can tend to make the food too salty. So pink salt is a very much lighter kind of salt. And we're gonna add our garlic.
I'm good. I'm glad y'all bought some more seasonings because we need some more garlic powder. Did I get some onion powder too?
No.
Oh. Go check on Bobby Porter.
Some black pepper.
Burn your finger, girl. That sauce gonna be popping
my
up.
nail.
Oh, what's wrong with your nail?
I hate it on my hand.
Cooking the nails. And the parsley.
Okay, now we just gotta. Oh, our sour cream.
Oh yeah.
We can certainly just. Oops, sorry. We can just add the rest of this.
Okay, from our tacos last night. How much you adding, girl? I can't see. Okay. So if I was like 2 tablespoons for.
Yep.
Okay. See how it came together? It's starting to get thick.
Get down.
Go over there with her, Porter.
Bobby, get there. Get there. Good.
Good job.
Yay. Over there.
2, 3. Looks good. And these are the rigatoni noodles.
Okay, so now we got our pasta all mixed up. And I might add some Cajun, not some Cajun seasoning, some cayenne pepper just to, you know, give it some color. It's kind of white. It's looking like Alfredo.
Ooh, look at the creaminess, y'all. See, that was enough sauce. Now I know my husband likes it more saucy, but this was 4 cups of heavy whipping cream to 1.5 box of noodles. So this is how much sauce it would make. And if you need to loosen it up a little bit, then you can add some regular milk to it to, you know, stretch it out a little bit more.
Okay, I'm gonna add some more.
Okay. What you about to add?
I'm gonna add just a little bit more Cajun seasoning just for color. And then I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper.
Okay. And then make sure you taste as you go, you guys.
Spicy.
I'll show it on the bottom, see what you're using. Cayenne. Okay.
See, I said the trap. It's in.
Okay, now we're gonna mix that up. Okay.
Bobby, come to the count.
And then the next thing she's going to go ahead and prep is the, what you got here, Amy?
Some French bread.
Okay, y'all, so stay tuned for that. We're just going to let it rest. And we're going to move on to the garlic bread.
Alright, so we're gonna cut the garlic bread into like this way instead of doing it like all the way straight. So what you want to do with this, you can use the corner pieces, of course, but we're going to cut these corner pieces off and set them to the side because you want the flat pieces, you don't want the bulbous pieces. So I'm just going to cut it so that the end of the bread cut is flat. Okay, not too thick, but thick enough.
Oh, hold on one more time. Do that again. Girl, you don't know you're sniffing. You got SARS? Your allergies? What's going on over there? How you gonna be sniffing on your spring break?
No, I got Cajun seasoning on it. Pepper. Okay, so now this is our garlic butter that we made with the garlic seasoning and a little bit of parsley. And we're just going to go over and lightly brush this on our bread.
Got a lot more to go. They all are buttered up. Okay. Oven is on 350. Okay.
Now we're going to put this in here for about 7 to 5 minutes because we don't want our bread overdone.
Soft, not crunchy.
Because this bread is already hard.
You want garlic.
So the pasta is this. Sitting to the side, warm it up. Anything else you need to do?
Nope.
Okay. All right, y'all. While we wait.
Alright, so with this dish, also remember that this is a simple one-pot dish other than the dish that you'll use to boil your pasta. But this is a one-pot dish. We made everything in the same pot. The sausage, the sauce. Okay, so we've uncovered our pasta now and I've mixed it up. And I realized that it's just not as wet as I would like it. So I'm going to add just a splash of buttercream. Just a
Buttermilk.
little bit. I mean buttermilk. Just a little bit. Because we don't have regular milk. If you had milk, you can use it. But right now, we surprisingly don't have milk, but we have buttermilk. So we're going to use that. Now let's plate this up. That is our garlic bread that I literally just took out the oven. And yeah. Alright, let's plate this up.
Okay. Spicy.
It's really good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's spicy though.
Okay. Alright, so she's about to go ahead and plate it up.
Okay. Plate.
Let me feed it first.
Pops.
Her daddy. Yeah.
No, Dad pops.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so pasta, not just sausage.
Mm-hmm. Okay, whatever meat you want in here. So chicken, shrimp, combo, chicken shrimp, steak and shrimp. Okay. And then we also have some Parmesan cheese.
And just a little bit more. Okay. Alright.
And you want me to bring in a plate?
Okay. Then put a little parsley on top. Oh, you already know what to do. I don't even know what I need to tell you to do. Okay.
This is our Cajun pasta.
Cooked by Emmy.
Yep.
And tell them what time it is right now.
Alright, so this actually only took about an hour.
It is
Yeah.
7:56.
So we made this all in one pot, except for the pot that you have to boil the noodles in. But yeah, this is a simple, easy dinner. You know, it's very quick. 1 hour, only 1 hour. We started at 9, and now it's 10:56. So if you want a simple and easy dinner, there you go.
Okay. You guys see it. Bye.
Bye guys.